Hi, my name is John Gonzalez. I am the Quality Control Manager here at Plastic Design and Manufacturing. Today we're going to introduce you to our Extrusion Profile Department. Plastic extrusion is a high-volume manufacturing process in which raw plastic is melted and formed to a continuous profile. Extrusion produces items such as pipe, tubing, weather stripping, fencing, deck railings, window frames, plastic films, and sheeting. It also can produce wire insulation and thermoplastic coatings. This process starts by feeding plastic material, pellets, granules, flakes, or powders. The thing that makes us different from everybody else is that we reclaim the scrap plastic that we use in our other manufacturing products. We take this plastic in its whole form back to our grinding department where we grind it into pellets. We then take this pellets and we use these pellets as media in our extrusion process. This is a very green process, and I feel that we're doing a lot for the environment as far as plastic goes, not putting this plastic in landfill, but reclaiming it and using it in other plastic products.